Now I will present you the structure of ISO 27001 in more detail. 0. Clause 0 Introduction. The introductory clause gives a general overview of the standard and its purpose and explains its compatibility with other ISO standards. Scope. Clause number 1. It defines the scope of the standard, pointing out that this standard is applicable to all types of organizations. 2. Normative references. The second clause, normative references, and the third clause, terms and conditions, both refer to ISO 27000 as a standard where information security and terms and definitions are given. 4. Context of the organization. It requires understanding external and internal issues, interested parties and their requirements, and also defining the ISMS scope. 5. Leadership. This section defines top management responsibilities, setting the general roles and responsibilities for the ISMS, and defines the contents of the top-level information security policy. 6. Planning. It defines requirements for risk assessment, risk treatment, statement of applicability, risk treatment plan, and setting the information security objectives. 7. Support. This clause defines requirements for availability of resources, competencies, awareness, communication, and controls of documents and records. 8. Operation. It defines the requirements for regular reassessment and treatment of risks, as well as implementation of controls and other processes needed to protect the information. Clause 9. Performance evaluation. This clause defines requirements for monitoring, measurement, analysis, evaluation, internal audit, and management review. And finally, Clause 10. Improvement. This clause defines the requirements for non-conformities, corrective actions, correction, and continuous improvement. Annex A is called Reference Control Objectives and Controls. This annex provides a catalog of 93 controls grouped into 4 sections. All these clauses from ISO 27001, starting from the 4th clause of context of the organization all the way to Annex A, will be discussed in the following modules of this course.